auxiliary battery malfunction. Okay, if you get this, what you need to do is you need to buy a new auxiliary battery and replace it. Hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee, and today you're gonna learn how to replace your Mercedes-Benz auxiliary battery malfunction for the W212 from 2010 to 2012, okay? So, well, don't worry, we're gonna go into the field and do step by step, but before that, let's go over the parts. The parts you'll need is a battery like this, and the two tools you'll need is a 10 millimeter to undo one bolt and a plastic pry bar. Okay, so just turn off the car, open your door. You'll need to remove this panel. Okay, so there's 2 hooks and 3 clips. Okay, now undo this 10 millimeter. Okay, take a quick look at how it's aligned. Okay, just reach in there, get the battery out. First, undo the bracket. Okay, put your hand in there. Okay. Get her out. There we go. Okay, then pull these off. One. It's really hard with one hand. Okay, now this is the new one, I believe. Shit. Okay, after you pull the batteries, reach inside, pull out the bracket. It only comes out like one way. There we go. A little hard to videotape, but anyway, so once you have both the bracket and everything off, keep in mind that basically this goes in here in such a way that you'll be able to see here the Taiwan, and it's going to go inside in such a way where this bolt is facing like this, and then it tightens over there. Okay, take these 2 off. Next, put on the black one. Okay, so when you put it in, keep in mind when you put in the battery and you go in, you want it to be like this. So basically this Taiwan part, on the new one it says Taiwan too. See if I can get that out there for you. Taiwan will be facing towards the center console with the contacts pointing backwards like this. So we go back inside, just get it the right orientation, you don't have to worry too much. And then find the other wire with the fuse on it. Okay, fuse faces up. There's a shit here. Unbelievable. Okay, so then right over here, I push it back into the bracket. Once you have it back in the bracket, it's not a problem. Stupid design. Okay. Double check your work, make sure it's plugged in. It's really hard with one hand, but what you want to do is you want to tighten that bolt by hand. You can see the bracket there. Good and tight. Then what you want to do is you want to check, especially there's going to be some wires in here that the loom, nothing is too tight, because especially this one right here, because it's for the airbags I forget what they're called, but they're like knee airbags or something. So you want to make sure that that's not snug, everything is in. Okay, and then you see those two holes, one there, one there. Make sure you put your put it in there like so. Align it with the holes. Okay, like new. Perfect. Okay, now the auxiliary thing does not come on anymore, so that's what it was. Anyway, it's kind of a pain in the ass to change, but I hope that helps you. Keep in mind, what you really want to be careful is when you're re-putting it back in, because there's so many wires there, you don't want to tangle up anything to do with that SRS airbag wire, which is running below. So make sure you don't accidentally snap it into the bracket or whatever. Anyway, I hope this helps. Have a nice day. Bye.